First of all, we will mention 2 or 3 rules. That 3 rules you will use in every letter writing to avoid 1 marks deduction in that. अगर वो चीज आपने मिस कर दी तो आपका 1 marks deduct हो जाएगा. Okay. So better we start, and first you will write the steps. Okay. Today is 4, no? Okay. Directly. Ready family? As you wish. Means fair means grammar note what you have that you will use for. Practice होना चाहिए, letter लिखना आना चाहिए. That is it. Correct answer should be in your mind. Fine. So first of all we will mention some of the points that we have to keep in mind while letter writing. First one. Properly write your postal address. Email address. Yeah, need it nowadays when we send the speed post or couriers for tracking our order. Phone number. Or any other contact info. Contact info means contact information if you want to provide any other also that you can provide. Second one, state the argument. State the argument you are responding to. Provide evidence. Evidence means proof. Provide evidence and say what should be done. So first point, whatever the postal address you are writing, it should be clear and correct, otherwise the letter will not reach to the destination. Second thing, email address, if you are not providing proper, you cannot track your order, whatever you are posting. Second thing, the mobile number should be correct. Because if there is any problem in delivering the letter, the postman or the courier boy, he can contact the mobile number or phone number provided. Okay? So these things are very much noticed. Second one, state the argument. What do you mean by argument? The subject on which you are writing the letter. You are responding to. Provide evidence if any. If not, then no problem. And what the solution of the problem is or what should be done, that also we have to mention, like dirtiness or increasing crimes or any other thing or increasing pollution. Third one, have a simple closing. Simple closing means ending of the letter. And one more thing which I missed here, you can write at the last, salutation. Do you know what is salutation? Dear sir, dear ma'am, like that. That is what? Salutation. So I hope so this written. Right. And after this we will go through the writing of the letter. The letter which we have to write, it is on Ben Polybags. The letter which we have to write to the editor, that is on Ben Polybags, and you have to write it on your own. Who are having a live classes or attending the live classes, they will write on the topic Ben Polybags on your own in about 120 to 125 words. And this is a formal letter writing to the editor. Who are connected here, they have to write there on their own and send me the images of that in the form of PDF or any. And in the class we will go for now only. I will make you write. Written on, shall I erase it? Has everybody here, everybody who are connected here, they have written? Have you written or not? And you have to write a letter. Yeah, on the topic or the subject Ben Polybags to the editor of newspaper in about 120 to 125 words.